A very warm greetings to all. So today we all are going to study chapter number 11 of your Open Skies textbook, that is The Cap Sailor. Coming to the today's topic, first we will see overview of the chapter, then we will move towards explanation of the chapter, and lastly we will see the moral of the story. So what is the overview of the story? There was a cap sailor whose caps were stolen by monkeys, but he succeeded in taking his caps by monkeys with the help of his intelligence instead of fighting. How he do that? Let's study in the chapter. So explanation of the chapter. There was a cap sailor who was selling his cap. One day he got tired by selling caps and decided to rest for some time under a tree. Soon he fallen asleep, and during this, monkeys on trees started taking his cap out from his bag and took out all the caps from the bag. After some time, when cap sailor woke up, he saw monkeys wearing his caps and teasing him. Then cap sailor tried hard to take his caps by requesting monkey and offering them bananas in exchange of cap, but monkey continued teasing. After some time, cap sailor got irritated and threw his cap on the ground. By seeing this, monkey also threw their caps as they were mocking the cap sailor. Soon cap sailor collected his all caps and laughed at monkey. Finally, cap sailor succeeded in taking his caps without fighting. So what is the moral of the story? Wisdom is better than power. So this was it for the today's chapter. Your homework is to revise the chapter what we have studied today. So meet you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.